Okay, here's a short video to help you figure out what you'll need to do to prepare for Monday, and we're going to be working on this Monday during our Zoom time. So first you need to go into your group area. When you go there, you're going to see a discussion at the top. This is the place where you've been planning. Over here are pages. Click on pages, and you'll see a new page that I put for you today. Hopefully this will answer some questions. So here's where you're going to work to prepare. Your very first responsibility in all of this is to answer these questions based on your topic. So here we are. I'm going to close that there. You have to connect your topic to the idea of equity in education. How does your topic address the issue of equity? How is the information useful to help solve equity issues? How can the information be useful to your classmates as parents of school children or as students in a community college district in Oakland? Here's what you need to include. You will have a title. One of your slides will be a title. Answers to the questions. What references did you find? Where did you get your information? 3 or 4 main points that you want to make. Is there any important vocabulary we need to learn about your topic, so you can make a slide for that? You are also going to create at least 2 or 3 questions that you will be asking your classmates after your presentation. You want them to be listening and involved. Okay, so and then the last thing you're going to do is provide maybe one piece of really interesting information that surprised you or something new that you weren't expecting. So this is our workspace. Okay, now I'm over in my Google Drive, which is where you guys are going to be. You're going to click on New, and you're going to So you're going to go over to the drive and you're going to click New, and you're going to come down and choose Google Slides. And I'm just going to say that you won't have a shared folder. This is mine. And here you are in Google Slides. So this, usually it starts with a title page. You can do that. You can also choose a different theme. Look through here, what looks good to you, whichever one you want to do is perfectly fine. It just comes like that. So if you were to start like this, then all of yours would be similar, okay? Over here is where the slides are that you create, and every time you want to add a new one, you just click on plus, and that will give you a slide. So you could click a title here, and let's just say equity, and don't use this one. This is not a very good font, but equity in class size. You can put it here. There's a lot of different places, things you can do. If I want to, I can move it to the middle, however you want to do it. These are all your controls. So you're just going to build a few slides. Maybe each of your group members will have one slide. I just changed the font. So you can see how it changes, whichever one you use. And you're going to answer those questions. The questions that I gave you, maybe you have a slide for each one. It's up to you how you want to do it. It's really fine anyway. And we're going to start working on this. When you create your slide thing, you're going to do, one of you in your group will start the slides. Then you're going to come up here to share. And you're going to name it, we'll call it class size, just because that's what we were just talking about. Okay, and you gave it a title. Now it's time to share. So there are 2 ways you can do this. You can click on get a shareable link. Make sure that you change this here to anyone can edit. Then you can write. So you can copy this link, and you could put it in your page, and everyone else can see it from your group space. So you could just copy it. Then you could go over here. Let me get to a group page. I know I have one started because we were just working on that. I'm finding you one. Sorry. me just go back to the dashboard, make it quick, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm in a group space. This is charter schools, and we don't have that group anymore, but I'm just going to give you a way so that you can figure out how to do it. So first, click on Pages, then click on Add a Page, and down here in the body, you can just copy this, excuse me, link. Sorry, it's taking a while. I have to have a title. Sorry, I forgot the title. Okay. Take a look at that. And each student can copy this and put it in their own computers, and they'll all be able to work in the same slide presentation. Another way you can do it too, like this, is you can copy this here, click on this little link, and then paste your link in here, and that'll make it a live link, which is really what you want. So there you go. So be ready, bring your information to class, and we'll start building slide presentations tomorrow. I hope this helped.